Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to another winter sowing video. Today we're going to be doing one of my absolute favorite things. Winter sowing was really the first time I was able to grow these from seed, not in the fall, and be successful. We are going to be planting some sweet peas. Now these aren't edible sweet peas, these are the toxic Lathyrus odoratus or whatever it's called, sweet peas for cut flowers. So this is the mammoth mix that we're planting today, and I am super excited. These things love cold. They do not thrive well here in my summer temperatures and springtime temperatures, so it is so important that I get a jump start on these as soon as possible because, by the time, I don't know, mid-June, these things are usually done. June to July, these things, it's too hot and they shrivel up and die. So it's important that we plant them soon. You might be like, well, if they only bloom that long, is it even worth it? I think it's worth it. They smell amazing. Anyway, I'm just going to grab a 2-liter bottle like I always do. But there's something special here. I'm going to put the drainage holes in and cut around the middle like always. But instead of just putting a little bit of soil in here, I'm going to make the soil pretty deep, at least 6 inches. The thing is, these sweet peas, they have a really, really long taproot. And we want to make sure we give them the room to really grow and expand. And we don't want them getting root bound with each other. I'm only putting 3 seeds in each container. And I'm burying them about a ½ inch deep. Definitely going to cover these with soil. They need the full contact from the soil. And do not soak these. You can, of course, direct sow these in the garden as soon as your soil can be worked. They do great that way. But for me personally, if I do it that way, I don't have enough time in the season because, the cool weather doesn't last long enough. So I have to do this to get those blooms if I want blooms. Really, the only option for me is to plant in the fall and overwinter them very carefully or to winter sow them now. So, unlike when you direct sow, you do not want to soak these first. When you direct sow the seed, you want to soak it first and then plant it, but we're not doing that. So do not soak it, cover it up, make sure your medium's good and moist and wet and all that good stuff. Tape it up, set it outside, let nature take over. You should have some really good results. That's about it for this video. Hopefully it was somehow helpful. If it was, be sure share it, tell your friends about it, subscribe. Love to have you. Making new videos every single day this month, growing vegetables and growing cut flowers, and just trying to make my yard a pretty place, hopefully. I hope y'all are having a real great day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.